Hi there, I'm Jordan from Norwich Camping and Leisure, and I'm now beside the new Kampa Ace Air Pro 500 for 2018. So the Ace model comes in three different sizes, the 300, the 400 and the 500. So that is the length of the awnings. This is a 5-metre awning from this point here to the other end. And obviously the 300 is 3 metre, 400 4 metre. So if you have a straight bit of your rail which is 5 metres long before it starts to curve down, then this should fit on your caravan if you're 5 metres long. You also need to check the measurement between the floor and the rail height, which needs to be between 235 and 250. This is the Pro material, so it's a 300 denier material, and it's also 1-point inflation. So you pump up from that point just over there, and the whole awning will pump up as one, and go as all the beams are interlocked with tubes inside, which I'll show you in a minute. This also includes the new dual height pitch system, which is a lot squarer beams. Okay, so there's like a bit more of a kink at the top there, rather than being a rounded beam. So it gives it a lot more height at the top here, so you can stand up in the awning without hitting your head on this point here. And also at the top there, they're slightly a bit bigger in the middle, so it allows the water to run off the sides. So in the Ace now, obviously we've got a little bit bigger beams in the middle here. These are the beams that are obviously the tubes that interlock each beam individually. You can turn these taps off, so you can isolate each beam individually if you do find yourself having a problem. Each window obviously has all curtains on them, and you'll find that there's an extra zip on these three front panels here, which allows you to put in a mesh screen, which is new for 2018 on the Ace models. On both end panel you have 2 zip out panels, so you can put a conservatory, an annex or a tall annex on those. On this side we've got a mesh on the window with a window on the outside, and on this side we've just got a window, but you can swap those over if you wish. There's also mesh on the doors on those and mesh in the top corners. We've got skylights in the roof here, which obviously allows a lot more light into your awning, which is nice. And then we've also got the carpet here, which is an optional extra. So there's loads of optional extras available for this awning. You can buy roof liners, which hang up in here, cover up all the beams and help with condensation at different times of the years. You can also buy different types of carpet. You've got rear upright poles, there's a couple of types of those, storm straps, limpets, lights, hanging organisers, and the mesh panels that zip into here. So yeah, it's been a very popular awning for Kampa over the last few years, especially the Ace 400, which is a bit smaller as it fits most of the caravans. But if you do have a 500 centimetre straight rail on your caravan, then this one would fit as well. But if you have any more questions or you want to know a bit more advice and see some more photos, check out our website www.norwichcamping.co.uk.